Hey guys, this is Juan from Team Sketch2React, and today we are going to continue my series about quick prototyping for React. What I have here is the React project running. I have exported from our code app onto React, and I also did a couple of other things. I installed the link component, and I entered like code for linking between pages, things like this. It's not set up automatically when you export from Sketch2React to React. If you export to HTML, you don't need to do this, but now we are showing how to do this with React. So another pointer, important thing I did my first export. I checked out how big the images were, and they are huge. The reason for that is that in the original file, these background images were humongously big, really large. And this is what happens with Sketch. The first time you import an image, many times you don't even think how big it is. Let's be honest, I don't do that. But when you export this to code via our export, you get all the images that you have imported in this document. They are here under images, and then you start looking at saying, damn, these are big. Like our SVGs normally are very small, but if you have a big image inside it, it gets humongously big. So what I did was I went back to Sketch, exported these images at a much smaller size, and then I re-imported them again to this. For example, here I just dragged and dropped the compressed and an image I made much smaller again. So you need to do stuff like that, like this, even if you're building prototypes. You want it to be as fast as you can, of course. So I did that, and then I also went in, and if we check out this link component here, I converted the text to real text components like this. This is just a PNG to also again to make everything as small as it can be. This one is still SVG, user date posted, because it's really small. So stuff like that will make your prototype much smaller. You need to be smart here when you are creating these things. I also added the fonts, Google Fonts thingy with external assets. We have done lots and lots of tutorials about how to do this. It's actually really easy. Just study the file. I also added the animations. I did that last time, yeah. So more coffee. Okay, so let's show you guys what I actually did. Okay, so here's this exact document linked in our code app. We are ready to export. First of all, we need to visit each page, so that the thing you saw there, the thing that said your artboard has been added to our export bundle, appears once. So this means that one there. This means that everything has now been added to our advanced export. If you don't do that, it will not be added to the export. Important thing. So let's export this for React. The only thing you need to do is go to download and press here, React. Let's save this one, and this is part 3. Yes, awesome. Let's check out the file, the zip file. It's there. Just unzip it. Boom. You can throw this one away. And let's check out what we have here. So this is what you get from scratch. A couple of files. Let's just stop the the server. No, that's not your stop the server. It's Command C. Or is it Control C? Control C. Yes. Let's close the window Visual Studio Code. I usually just do this and drag this onto here. It's much easier to view the files in your code editor. So let's check them out. We have things here, everything is here. We have images, blah blah blah, and we don't have the link component. So how do we do that? Let me be right back.